Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make honey mustard at home. Let's begin by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need honey, your favorite mustard, a touch of vinegar, and a pinch of salt. Having these ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This quick guide will help you create a delicious condiment in minutes. Now, let's combine the core flavors. Start by adding 2 parts mustard to your bowl, then 1 part honey. Whisk these together until they are completely smooth and well blended. This initial mix forms the delicious base of your honey mustard. Feel free to taste and adjust the ratio to suit your preference for sweetness or tang. To elevate the flavor, we'll add a few enhancements. A small splash of apple cider vinegar brightens the sauce beautifully. For a little extra depth, consider a dash of garlic powder. Finish with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Stir everything together thoroughly to ensure all the flavors are perfectly combined. Once your honey mustard is mixed, transfer it to an airtight container. For the best flavor, refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Your homemade honey mustard is perfect for dipping, spreading on sandwiches, or as a salad dressing. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.